Hi, in this section we are going to see HIPOT. What is HIPOT? HIPOT is a high potential test. Why we go for HIPOT? HIPOT is used to find different problems in bus and cables regarding the insulation, or you can say a dielectric of the insulation or cable. We can see now what are the different problem we can able to find by using HIPOT. If it is short, if the bus or if the cable having a short circuit, this all can be found using HIPOT. And also if there is wrongly terminated, that means if this bus bar is terminated over this area and this is terminated wrongly, it is that if they terminated wrongly, this also we can able to find using HIPOT. If you terminate wrongly the termination, this also you can able to find using HIPOT. And also if the cable having damage, the insulation of the cable having damage, if it is having a puncture or insulation failure, this thing also you can able to find in HIPOT. In or holding material not having a proper insulation, this also can able to find using HIPOT test. How the HIPOT works we can see now. Now I am going to show you how HIPOT is working. For this I have taken one simple example of water tap. We consider the water tap, it's connected with a hose pipe. The hose pipe having a small hole. If you open the tap with low pressure, the water will come out. By this hole we may get a drops of leakage if it have a holes. If you consider, if you are increasing the pressure to very high, if you are going for high pressure, then the hose which is having a leakage will start to make more water outlet from the leakage. This can be seen visibly. Same way in our power cable, when you are using a high voltage testing, just we consider this is as a HIPOT test kit. The high voltage terminal is connected to the kit and other end is earth. When you inject the high voltage, if the cable is good, then the leakage current get through this path will be very less. If we have any punctures or damage in our cable, then when you increase the voltage will start, the dielectric medium of this cable gets weak in this area. So from here our electricity will start to leak out and start to conduct through any other medium. Since the cable is very near to earth, it will start to conduct with earth. So our leakage current will be very high if we have depending upon the damage of the cable or insulation medium. So if you go for low voltage testing, the low voltage testing will not affect the cable, but if you go for high voltage testing, it will affect the cable if you have any problem on the cable or if you have any damage. So it is very important to fix the leakage current. The leakage current should be in limit in order to avoid the material damage. If you think this video is useful for your friend, you can share it to them. Thank you for watching this video.